If you're facing the error initializing transaction problem on Steam while trying to buy a game or add funds, don't panic. Here's how to fix it. First of all, open the Steam app on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, check your internet connection. Unstable connections can interrupt payments. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or restart your router. Next, clear your Steam download cache. To do this, click on Steam in the top left corner and then go into Settings. After that, select Downloads and click on Clear Cache beside Clear Download Cache. Then, log back into Steam when prompted. If that doesn't help, check your payment method. Sometimes, outdated card details or restrictions from your bank can trigger this error. Go to Account Details under your profile, update your payment information and try again. Also, make sure Steam servers aren't having issues. You can quickly search Steam server status in your browser to see if transactions are down globally. If nothing works, log out of your account, close Steam completely and then reopen it. Many users have found that a simple restart clears the error. And that's all. By refreshing your connection, clearing your cache, updating payment details, or restarting Steam, you should be able to fix the error initializing transaction problem and get back to gaming. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.